How to clean a washing machine. If you've ever caught a whiff of a stale, musty smell in your clothing or washer's drum while loading your machine or transferring your laundry to your dryer, we've got some news. A dirty washing machine is likely to blame, which also needs to be cleaned from time to time so that it can do its job well. So let's take a look at some of the easiest ways you can clean your washing machine in no time. Hello everyone, and welcome to Grandma Knows. Life can be a struggle, but things don't always have to be dealt with in a complicated way. And I'm sure your grandma had a solution to pretty much every problem, like a stubborn stain on your clothes or a common health complaint. In these videos, I will provide you with all kinds of similar useful tips that you can do at home. But before this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Clean the detergent drawer. The detergent drawer can be a haven for germs, encrusted washing powder, and mold, considering this is where you put the formula designed to clean your clothes and linens. For the best results, remove the entire drawer and clean it with an old toothbrush. Don't forget to clean the drawer cavity too, and it'll be spotless in mere minutes, and your clothes will feel fresher instantly. Wasn't that so simple? Clean the filter. The debris filter is where to protect your washing machine's pump by stopping lint, stray tissues, coins, and general dirt in its tracks. That means that, like the detergent drawer, it's a place where germs collect. Wonder about the solution? Just empty it regularly to remove the fluff and dirt that is gathered inside. Clean the drum. Even if the inside of your washing machine looks sparkling clean, it's probably not. There are lots of nooks and crannies where germs can hide and fester. The best thing to do is to run an empty wash every couple of months. To clean the washing machine, put it on a cycle while empty, adding detergent directly into the drum. A hot wash should preferably be 60 degrees Celsius. This should kill the germs, remove odors, and stop soap scum and limescale building up in hard-to-see places. Run an empty regular cycle on hot, using 2 cups of white vinegar instead of detergent. Add the vinegar to the detergent dispenser. Don't worry about harming your machine, as white vinegar will not damage clothes. The hot water vinegar combo removes and prevents bacteria growth. Vinegar can also act as a deodorizer and cut through mildew odors. If all these tricks still don't help, don't worry, because the tips we are going to share next will surely help. So keep watching and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Prevent bad smells. Ever opened your washing machine door to be greeted with an unpleasant, musty smell? This may be because the damp conditions of a freshly run machine are perfect for mold growth. Leaving the washing machine door open slightly after washes allows air to circulate around the drum, which helps stop germs breeding and reduces the associated damp scents. This is even more important during warmer weather in the summer. So make sure your outside drain is also kept clean of debris and regularly cleaned, as odors can feed back up to the machine. Still didn't work for you? Don't worry, because the next hack will definitely help you. Use the right detergent. Last but not least, when you're faced with a mind-blowing array of detergents lined up on the supermarket shelves, it's easy to think only about the effect they have on your clothes. Interestingly, extra suds and liquid softeners have been linked to leaving a residue in the machine that may contribute to bad smells and mold. In short, if you want to be kinder to your washing machine, use powder rather than liquids. Knowing what to use and how to wash your clothes helps achieve better washing results every time. It sounds so obvious, but you'd be surprised. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel so I can help you with even more useful tips. And thanks for watching.